There are a few things you should know about this chicken coop off of Amazon. It is an assemble it yourself, does come with screws, very similar to an IKEA assembly. You're going to be assembling your chicken's house and all the furniture inside of it. So they do have the pre-drilled holes here where you can insert the screws, simply follow the instructions. Pretty simple overall. Compared to the actual chicken run, this was a breeze because the chicken run took several hours. This took us maybe 1 hour. You will need a automatic screwdriver. I'd recommend a power drill, not just a manual screwdriver, and you'll need a Phillips head. So you should also know that this would fit about 6 to 8 chickens. In our personal opinion, my wife is a veterinarian and she agreed that that's about the appropriate amount. Of course, we're going to start with 4. We're going to put sand underneath this as well. But the assembly was a breeze, honestly, very easy. This is the actual egg collection window where you can lock it and open it and shut it. And you'll be able to collect your eggs from here so you don't have to intrude your chickens, and you can actually easily gather those eggs, which we're all excited to see. Of course, that's why one of many reasons why we would want to have chickens in our homestead. And so this is an additional door that they can come in and out of with a ramp. You can lock it or leave it open. Again, there's a area inside of here where they can run around and free graze. However, we put a bigger run on the outside of it. And then there's also this balcony here with the white picket fence, which is really cool. There's a weatherproof roof as well, so you don't have to worry about that. We have an additional tarp over the top, but again, here's what it looks like on the inside. And whenever you come around to the other side, you'll be able to see the removable tray where a lot of the waste will go. You can either compost this or clean it out, obviously, but there is a removable tray to make cleaning really easy. Grab it for yourself or loved one today off of Amazon. You won't regret it. Have an amazing day.